going to landfill. We have to dump all that garbage behind me, and yeah, this is the plan for today. So you have to pay at the ticket booth, which is right there, and then they give you directions where to dump your garbage, and this is how it works. We made it. Today it's gonna cost only $29.50, but it's supposed to cost kind of like $50. I don't know, maybe. So it was like pretty lady at the ticket booth, and I don't know, but she made a discount. So thank you. So this is how it works.